Okay, so how did they actually do this? First, they started with Llama 3.1, which is an open model from Meta, and they fine-tuned it. Warning, this is about to get really into the weeds. They specifically call out their unique approach to RLHF, which stands for Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. At a high level, this is when you use human feedback to improve the model so that it aligns better to what humans want to get out of the model. The problem, though, is that human feedback is hard to scale. So you'll train a reward model that mimics human feedback so that you can use that reward model instead of an actual human to score the results of an output. That score is what we call a reward. The model will learn how to optimize that award through an alignment algorithm that essentially looks at that reward and updates the weights in the model so that it maximizes that reward. So in the Nemotron paper, they explore a couple different reward models and a couple different alignment algorithms and offer insight into the best combination. On the reward model side, they tried two different models. The first is a Bradley-Terry style model. These models rely on learning preferences, where you compare different outputs for the same prompt and try to maximize the difference between a chosen output and a rejected output. The second reward model type is a regression style model, where you essentially try to predict a single score that grades a given output. And they found that they got the best results by combining these two different reward models. You would start with a regression style model only trained on helpfulness. Then you would train a Bradley-Terry model based on preference data using that initial regression model. For the alignment algorithm, they found that reinforce worked the best. In fact, it worked better than popular algorithms like DPO and PPO. If that went over your head, the main takeaway is, by focusing on the RLHF process, they were able to get a really performant model. And that is all from me this time. See you next time.